Hello, today we're going to do Module 14, Lesson 15. Now, we're going to apply the knowledge of area to determine the areas of rooms in a given floor plan. So this is what an architect does. Now, you might find yourself that one day you're as amazing of an architect as Imhotep, who built the Great Pyramids. But for now, you have to start with basics. So let's figure out how to find the areas of rooms. Okay, first things first. I'd like to do a quick review. So, if I am given something like this, please draw this. I'm going to make a figure. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm making a grid and then I'm going to erase parts out of it. And then I'm going to shade some. Okay, so I'm going to erase these edges. Okay. Now, let's say that I erase this and this. I'm losing my mouse. Oops. Where is it? There it is. Okay. So we're going to erase this piece. Now, we're going to shade in this region right here. Okay? Now, I want to find the area. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that crazy coloring. Like I'm coloring, like I can't see when I'm coloring. Okay, fix it. Much nicer. Okay, better. Now, here we go. We need to find the area of this shaded region. How do we find the area of this shaded region? Well, we can do it two ways. We can use what we know of the outside triangle, or outside rectangle, and cut off these two. So this would be like one bedroom. This would be like, maybe this is a master bedroom. This would be like the bathroom. Okay? Or maybe this is the bedroom and this is the desk area. Maybe there's a nook cut out of it. Either way, let's call it the master bedroom and the bathroom for now. Okay, we need to find the area of the bedroom. We need to find the area of the bathroom. And we need to be able to add them up. Now, we can do it two ways. We can find the measurement of this outside and then figure out, cut this part out. Or we can add it up and break it into parts. This time, let's break it into parts. Okay, so I'm going to get the red. And let's break it into two rectangles and let's add up our areas because we need to know how much flooring for the entire floor. Let's say it's that. Maybe we're putting carpet everywhere. Or maybe we're putting tile everywhere or laminate flooring. It doesn't matter. Let's say we got to cover this floor and we got to cover this floor. So we got to know how much to purchase. First, let's find out how big our area is in our red rectangle. So first we need some sides, right? Okay, well I can use my grid here. 1, 2, 3, 4 to know that that side is 4. This side is 1, 2, 3, 6. This side is 6. Okay, so the area of the red rectangle would be, it's a 4 by 6 rectangle. So that means 4 times 6. That would be 24 square, how about feet? It would make more sense for it to be a room, wouldn't it? Okay, now we need to find the area of the blue rectangle. Let's find the area of this rectangle. Well, using my grid, 1, 2, 3, this side is 3. 1, 2, this side is 2. So my blue rectangle is a 3 by 2, which means that it is 6 square feet. I add them up. I know that I'm going to need flooring for 24 plus 6, which would equal 30 square feet of flooring. Okay? Now let's try one more time to do some, let's just do it a different way. One of these problems a different way. Okay. So, here we go. Let's make another grid. Goodness. drawing is not as good as I'd like it to be today. Okay, so here's my grid. Now let's shade something. This time we're going to do a bedroom with a nook area, or bedroom with a closet. Let's do that. Let's do a bedroom with a closet. I like that better. Okay, so here's the bedroom. And in the corner of that bedroom is a closet. Okay, so this pink area would be the bedroom. And this little area in the corner is its closet. Now, I don't know about your house, but in my house, there's carpet in my bedroom and there's carpet in my closet. So we got to find out how much carpet we're going to need. Okay, first of all, what is the area of my bedroom? Well, let's see. Let's find the area of the red shape. Oh, wait a minute. I got a little problem here. I have a little problem. If I wanted to do my area, maybe I want pink carpet in my bedroom. So let's say I want pink carpet here. Boy, I'm just changing everything. Here's how I want the problem to go. Let me just resurface this. I would like pink carpet in my bedroom and green carpet in my closet. How much total carpet do I need? First of all, let's find out how much pink carpet we need. Now, I'm going to cut this into two. I gotta get my even ones. Okay, so what's the side of this? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm gonna find the whole area, and then I'm gonna take out the green carpet. I'm sorry. Mrs. Corlett is getting all confused. She's getting so excited about rooms. Start again. We are going to find the whole area, take out the green carpet. How much pink carpet do we need? Thank you for letting me recover that. Okay, so let's not cut this one. Let's go back. No cutting. Find the whole thing, and we're going to take out the green. Okay, where's my green? Then we'll take out this green piece here. Okay, so what is my red rectangle? Whoops, it's still green. Well, what's this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side is 6. This side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The red rectangle is a 5 by 6. Using my multiplication, that means 30, let's say feet, square feet. My green rectangle, that's so easy. My green rectangle is a 1 by 1. So the area of my green rectangle, a 1 by 1, would be 1 square foot. So now I need to take away to find out how much pink I need. So, still not quite there. I'm going to take away 30, take away 1, gives me 29 square feet of pink carpet. Alright, so this is how much carpet I'm going to need. How much square feet am I going to need of the green? I'm just going to need 1 square foot, so maybe like 1 carpet square. Boy, that's a teeny tiny closet. Maybe you can put a dollhouse in there. Alright, in your closet. I don't know if you can get your clothes in there. Oh well, you just never know. Okay, so this crazy problem is done. Now, let's talk about your homework. Let's talk about this homework. Okay. You are going to have a house plan. Think about being Imhotep. Imhotep was amazing. You're just as amazing as Imhotep. Okay, in my house plan, I'm going to have several rooms. I'm going to take a chunk out of my house plan. Okay, so I've got more to my house, but right now this is what I'm drawing. Right here, this right here is my living room. Okay, and this right here is my hallway. Okay, and right over here is one of my bedrooms. Now, I'm going to erase part of it because you know that you need to have doors, right? Okay, now this one actually goes on to another part of the house. So these dots right here are the doors to get out of the living room into the hallway. This also means that right here would be, whoops, maybe you go into a hallway and this is how you get to the bedroom. This right here is my doorway. Okay, so I need to know what the area of my living room is. I need to know what the area of my hall is. I need to know what the area of this bedroom is. Okay, you should all have your rulers, your centimeter rulers. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to set your ruler on a side to find out the length, and then you can use your others to find out what you know to find out your other lengths. Okay, so I set my ruler here. This is my ruler. Here's my rulers. These are my lines on my rulers. And I find out that from here to here, this is 10 centimeters long. I'm setting it right on my paper, right on the homework page. Then I find out I set my ruler here, and I measure the distance from here to here. I'm going to turn that black. Maybe. Okay, from here to here, and I measure that this is 6 centimeters. Okay, so this is an actual measurement using my ruler. If I'm going to find the measurement of the area on my paper, I'm going to find that this living room is a 10 by 6. Okay, so this would be this area of this, I'm going to write it really little, is a 10 by 6, which means that it is 60 square centimeters. Now, when I use this, when I measure, I'm going to count this part right here as a wall, even though it's not. Okay, because you don't put carpet partway through. You're going to put it right up to the door. Okay, whatever you need to find the area, it goes as if the door is part of the wall. So now I use my ruler and I find that from here to here, right here, is 3 centimeters. Now I need to find the length of this side. Knowing that this is 3 centimeters, I could measure this side, but can I use math to figure out what this is? Sure I can. I know that this whole length is 10, which means that this whole length is 10. So 10 take away this much, 10 take away 3 would be 7. So the rest of this is 7 centimeters. Okay, now I've already found 2 of the sides. I need to find this total length, don't I? So I use my measurements right here. I use my ruler and I find that it is 8 centimeters. Can I find the area of my bedroom? Sure I can. I'm going to write it really little. The area of my bedroom is a 7 by 8 room, which means it is 56 square centimeters. Now, can I find the area of my hall? Sure I can. I know the opposite sides are the same, so I know that this whole side right here is going to be 8 centimeters. So this tells me that the hall, I got to come over here, I don't have enough room. The area of my hall is, it's a 3. Wait for it to catch up. Okay. Which would make this be equals. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm going to try that again because it says not equals. Oh, I really wanted to equal that. Okay. Equals 24 square centimeters. Okay, so this is the area of my hall. Now, can I find out what my total is for this whole area? Sure. For this whole part of my house, I can add up my areas. So the area of the hall would be 24. The area of the living room is 60. The area of the bedroom right here is 56. Okay, so let's add it up. 4 and 6 is a 10. I'm going to make this be a 6 right here. So 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So this is 140 square centimeters. Okay, now let's make this be real. I know that my house is bigger than centimeters. I know one wall of my house is bigger than 8 centimeters. So now let's change it. What if I say that 1 centimeter is the same as 1 foot? Now what do? So instead of saying that this is centimeters, because I'm using my model or my blueprints or my plans, let's make it be the actual size. When I go to purchase the carpet, I'm going to purchase 140 square feet of carpet. If I only purchase 140 square centimeters, I might only be able to carpet a dollhouse. Just one little section of a dollhouse. It's not very much, is it? So we're going to have to convert it to feet. All right, use your ruler to find out the different lengths of the rooms on your homework to figure out which areas go with it. So once you find the sides, then you can find your areas. Work.